All right, so I got this home base extractor machine right over here. Go ahead, show 'em. Got this home base extractor machine. And you see all these stains? Go ahead, get a pan of all those stains. So I'm gonna use my drill brush. I tried to use a vacuum. Look at me. Try to use a vacuum. It didn't work. So you definitely need some type of extraction machine or whatever, some type of extraction machine to get all this dirt out. Because unless you have a really good vacuum, and I don't, I have a little crappy one. So I'm gonna re-drill brush this thing. Again, re-drill brush this whole area. See this stain right here, this blue stain? I'm gonna try to get that out. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna try to get that out, and then I'm gonna extract it. So let's see. So I got some soapy water, and I got some super clean. Now, obviously, I'm not a detail guy, so I'm just using whatever I got at home. We're trying to sell this car, so I'm just trying to get it a little better than before. All right, I'm gonna wet this brush, some water I got over here, and let's, see, it's already starting to get it. See all that dirt and grime coming up? Look how dirty the brush is. I'm gonna wash it off. Wipe the camera off with your shirt. Pause it. Go. Okay. You don't have to say go. Don't jump. All right, you see all this right here? I'm gonna extract it now. Turn this baby on. It's already got the solution in it. So we got this little one. We got this little buddy here, man. This thing is getting, I had Lulu, she scrubbed it. And then this little one gets all these little small spots. So let's show them, Lulu. Get in. All these little hard to reach areas. Look at all that dirt. Spray it. Yeah. Spray some solution. Scrub it. Agitate it. Come right up. Get over here. So many little areas. Oh, look at all that down there. All right, so we'll come back with the final result. We're gonna come back after the final result. All right, guys, so as you can see the difference, one on the right is cleaned, but that thing right there, it wasn't able to get out that stain, that blue stain, no matter what I did, so I just quit because it's getting dark out. It's about to start getting dark, but you can see the difference. So this thing does a pretty decent job. This is what the seat looked like before with heavier stains. And as you can see, the camera's kind of picking it up a little bit there. I could probably go a little more with the drill brush again and some more solution. You do have to make a lot of passes with that thing because it's a small one. So you do have to make a lot of passes. I could probably make a few more passes. Then I'm gonna stick it out in the sun or something like that. There's not really much sun, but I might be able to stick it out, leave it outside this way it can dry fast. And now I gotta hit all the rest of these and then put the seats back. No, hit all the rest of these and then vacuum the inside. So I still have the whole interior to do as well. It's getting late, so I'm gonna try to do this before the sundown. All right, guys, welcome back to another video with straight edit content and flash custom transfers. And today, as you can see, we got Mr. What's your name, sir? Diego. And what's the name of your business? Prime Detailing. What's your number?
832.
832?
741.
741?
4215.
4215. And do you do all the Houston area?
Yes, sir.
Conroe, Sugarland, Katy?
Yes.
All right, guys, listen, if you want your car detailed, mobile detailing, you know we always support small businesses on this channel, from the tree trimming to the car detailing to, what else do we do? To the mulch. When we had the people over there do the mulch, we always like to support small businesses. So he is a mobile detailing business. He is doing the Toyota. We are actually cleaning out the garage, but he says he's gonna do it outside, so that's pretty cool. But yep, so right now he's clay barring. So this isn't gonna be a video, like I'm not gonna follow him around or nothing like that, but just want to say, always support your local businesses. Look for somebody who can, you know, who's starting out. We like to look for people who are starting out just like us and who wanna grow their business, because we are going to be selling the Toyota. We are getting it all geared up. Shelly wants her Model X, so we are gearing up to sell this Toyota. I do have the original wheels, so we will show you guys the before and after. Just want to make this quick little video on Memorial Day weekend. We're kind of enjoying everything, cleaning out the garage, doing some summer cleaning and stuff like that. Yeah, his favorite day. He just got off of school. He didn't, what are you in third? Did you get past the 4th grade? No, you didn't. He didn't.
That's a lot.
You graduated 4th grade. You glad to be going into 5th grade? Yep. So he just finished school. He killed it. He did really good this year.
5th grade.
He's definitely gonna start 5th grade with the Jordan 1s. We promised him for graduating. So he will start with the red and white and black. Yep, red and white and black Jordan 1s. And then, yeah, so guys, thank you guys. Always support your local business. Like I said, we just want to make this quick Memorial Day video. I will show before and after. So this is the before, what it looks like. He's clay barn, so he's gonna be here for a while. And then, yeah, support your local business and support Flash Custom Transfers straight out of content. Got Mr. Diego. Oh, wow. It's already looking a lot better. So whenever we bring it to, I think he already did this side, so he just got a little bit right there, but looks so much better. And he also is gonna ceramic coat it. So he's not just gonna buff it, but he's also gonna ceramic coat it. He's paint correcting it now. I seen him upstairs on the hood. So I had a lot of scratches right there. And now most of them look gone. So look at this. You guys can see the before and after. It looks crazy. Yeah, man, so if you guys need your car, you're in the Houston area, Conroe area, and in Pasadena, Humble, contact Diego. I'll put all his information down below. I got him from a friend. From a friend of ours. He had his car done, and when I seen him, I said, oh, snap, we need this. So we're gonna be bringing this to the dealership. We'll show you guys the process and let you guys know what offer they give us. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the final product. He buffed it. And then, did you ceramic coated it? No. Okay. So, like, can we just don't touch it, don't wash it or nothing? For a week? Oh, okay. All right, so you guys can follow Diego. Do you have a YouTube?
No.
Okay. Do you have Instagram or anything? No, okay, so, but again, I'll leave his information down below, guys. But thank you, Mr. Diego, for hooking my wife's car up. We should be able to take it right now. I'm gonna go park it inside, so I cleaned out the garage, so I'm just gonna leave it in the garage until it's time to take it to the whoever is gonna buy it. So I appreciate that, guys. Look at this thing. It's ready to go, all shined up, all buffed out, smoothed up. So I just gotta fix that little bump right there. But I'm about to pull it into the garage. He said, don't wash it. So I'm just gonna keep it wiped off with a microfiber rag. I still gotta do the inside. So I still have to finish all this stuff back here. I might even get some ceramic spray just to kind of go over the outside, some like ceramic spray stuff by whatever company, same company with the detail guys or whatever, just some ceramic spray, but I have to do all the interior, all the door jambs and stuff like that. So these seats, they still got to be done. Front seats are done. These seats are done. Don't let this isn't a stain. This is like the way that it's like cut, but I still have to clean the center console, but both seats are done. Remember, there used to be a big stain right here, stain right there. All this is done. So all you do is finish the inside, but I'm gonna park it inside. I don't think we'll drive it anytime soon. We'll just keep driving the Kia. So that's gonna be it, man. That's gonna be it for this video. You buffed it out, it looks so much better. And whenever we bring it to CarMax, we'll probably bring up the CarMax and Texas Auto Direct. Or Texas Direct Auto to see what quotes we get. All right, guys, be basic. Peace. Hey guys, so this side right here has been done, cleaned. Just want to do a little half and half. As you can see, all the dirt over here, all the stains. So I've done all the sides, all right here. Now I'm up to here, and then all I got left is this half. I might do one more pass with this on this side, and then so I've done about two passes so far. I might do 3 and then do 3 more. Those seats are done, but like I said, you really got to do a lot of passes. So you can see right there, I'm going to have to go over again. I don't know what that is, or even right there. So I have to do a little bit more passes to get it perfect, but still working. It's day 2. All right, guys, this is the end result. Came out really good. Washed it down with the soap. And then what I did was, I wrapped the alternator in a plastic bag. And then I used this stuff right here to kind of go on everything. I do have some detail stuff, so I am gonna go over the plastics, but I just kind of went over that with anything metal and the plastic. And it gives it like a dull shine. I mean, you know what I mean? And it has ceramic coating in it, so maybe that'll help. Because it's definitely not as shiny as you would think it would be, but the way that it laid, it's not necessarily, it's really for the metal, but I mean, it did a pretty good job. I do have some detail guys, I forgot what's the name of the brand I got, that I am gonna spray the plastic with, but I just wanted to try it. This stuff right here, total interior cleaner protectant. So now it's ceramic coated, I might spray this, but I mean, I might not. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So it's technically ceramic coated because of that stuff. It's got a little wax on it. The metal definitely does. So I was just in here just spraying. I was like, man, let me just try it. And it looks really good. So now I just got to do the door. You do got a little dirty parts right here. I guess I didn't hit that part with the brush, but your average person is going to be like, okay, well, they drove this car, but it obviously was detailed. Of course, it's not going to be perfect because we are going to drive it to wherever we take it, but this looks really good. This is just going to up the value of the car. My father said to fix the crack in the windshield, so we'll see how much they deduct and if it's worth us fixing it. All right, guys, so I'm just doing this little headlight. We're here at day 3 of detailing the car. I just got to do the headlights, wipe off all the interior, vacuum out whatever little steps I put in there, and then, just ceramic coat the outside, and then it's finally done. So today's Monday, Memorial Day, and I should be finishing here real soon. This is only gonna take a couple seconds, then just wipe down everything. That'll be real quick. I got new microfiber rags for the outside and just kind of hitting these spots.